Good morning and welcome to Ginger's Kitchen. This morning I'm going to make a frittata. I have a busy week ahead and I may not have time to make breakfast the next couple of days, and this will help me. It'll be a go-to. All I'll have to do is make the toast and the tea and I'll have breakfast. And with the price of eggs, it does tend to go a little bit further. I'm using a hand mixer because I like the eggs nice and blended. Now in there so far I have the eggs, milk, and I've cut up some parsley. Now to the pan, I've poured the eggs in the pan. I'm going to add an heirloom tomato, some dill, and some of my favorite Hormel ham in a can. And I've used scissors for some green onion on top, as well as I've grated some Fontanelle cheese. You're going to need a broiler safe pan. And then when the bottom is cooked, I put it under the broiler to cook the top. This is the way I like to do a frittata, but everybody's oven's different and everybody does things different, so you do it the way you normally do it. Just make sure that it's cooked thoroughly. So here it is, all nice and brown, and I'm ready to enjoy a delicious breakfast. Thank you for taking the time to visit Ginger's Kitchen, and I hope you come back and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. And until next time.